to see block 3 HCF and LCM. What is the abbreviation of HCF? Highest common factor. What is for LCM? Lowest common multiple. Let us see what we are going to learn in this block. Point number 1. The HCF of two or more numbers can be found using the factor tree method. So we can find out the HCF by using the factor tree method. This is model number 1. Point number 2. The HCF of two or more numbers can be found using the common division method. This is model number 2. So dear children, we can find out the value of HCF by using factor tree method and common division method. The next third point is the LCM of two or more numbers can be found using the factor tree method. Point number 4. The LCM of two or more numbers can be found using the common division method. So the LCM also we can find by using the factor tree method and common division method. Now lesson number 1. In this HCF factor tree method, I told you to first we are going to find the HCF by using the factor tree method. Let us see how we are going to solve this. When we multiply two numbers, we get a product. Yes, we know that very well, isn't it? So we are taking two numbers for multiplying, that is nothing but factors. Then we are getting the multiply value, that is nothing but product. Understood, dear children? Let us see the numbers which are multiplied to get the product are its factors. Yes, you are taking the two numbers which are nothing but the factors, then the final value which we are getting the product value, which is nothing but multiply value. Understood, dear children? Let us see the example. Here I am going to show you 14. How should we are going to find the factors of 14? Let us see. Number 14 will come in first table, that is one table will come in 14 times. 1 14s are 14. Again number 14 will come in two tables 7 times. 2 7s are 14. Again 14 will come in 7 table 2 times. 7 2s are 14. 14 will come in 14th table 1 time. 14 1s are 14. Understood, dear children? So these are the values which are nothing but product. These are the numbers which are nothing but factors. Understood? So now factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Understood? 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of a number that are prime numbers are called prime factors. We know very well what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are nothing but it can divisible by 1 and the same number itself. That type of numbers are called prime numbers. Here 2 and 7 are the prime factors of 14 because 2 will come in one table and two table and 7 will come in one table and 7 table. So 2 and 7 are the prime factors of 14. Let us see. Find the prime factors of a number using the factor tree method. Initially I told you to, here we are going to find the HCF of using the factor tree method, and what is one more method? Common division method. Okay, so now see the process of finding the factors of a given number is called factorization. In the prime factorization, the number is written as the product of prime numbers. Here those are prime factorization of 90. Okay, those are prime numbers. Understood? Now let us see the HCF. Here we are going to use the method of factor tree method. Let us see. This is the number 90. Dear children, listen the class carefully. This is the number 90. Okay, now number 90 will come in two table 45 times. Okay, so 2 5s are 10, remaining will be 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 will give you 9, so 90. Number 90 in two table become 45 times. Next, number 45 will come in 3 table become 15 times. My dear children, you have to select the number which is lowest prime number. Understood? So lowest prime number you have to select. So here we have to take 2 table, 90 will come in 45 times. The same way 45 will come even 5 table, 9 table, isn't it? So even 3 table also. So you have to select the lowest prime number. Here I am going to take 3. Number 45 will come in 3 table, become 15 times. Again you have to select the lowest prime. Number 15 will come in 3 table, 5 table and 15th table. So apart that, which is the lowest number? 3. So you have to select the 3 table. So number 15 in 3 table become 5 times. That's all. So after that 3 will come in 1 table, 3 table. Next 5 will come in 1 table and 5 table. So till that you have to do this process. Okay. So till the prime number where you are getting the both side, till you have to do this process. At last you have to take and write prime factorization of 90. What are those numbers? Here this 2, 3 and 5. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. You just multiply and see, you will be getting as answer of 90. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Next number is 66. Number 66 will come in 2 table 33 times. Okay, dear children, again and again I am telling to you, you have to start with the lowest prime number. Okay, now 33 will come in 3 table 11 times. 3 11s are 33. And then till we are getting here, the both sides as the prime numbers. So you have to stop your work. Okay, 3 is a prime number and 11 is a prime number. So you have to stop for doing the process. So finally you have to take and write that prime factorization of 66 equal to 2 into 3 into 11. Multiply and see, you will be getting as the answer of 66. 2 3s are 6, 6 11s are 66. Then here you have to select the highest common factor of 90 and 66, because what is the question? Find the HCF of 90 and 66. Let us see what is the highest common factor. The highest common factor of two numbers is the highest factor common to the both numbers. So you have to select the highest factor of common to the both numbers. Then after selecting, what you have to do, on multiplying the common prime factors, we get the highest common factor. So here we are getting the highest common factor of 90 and 66 equal to 2 into 3. These two numbers are common prime numbers. So 2 3s are 6. 6 is the highest common factor of 90 and 66. Okay. Now let us see the next example. Here we are going to take the three numbers like 84, 70 and 98. So find the HCF of 84, 70 and 98 using the factor tree method. This is called as factor tree. Okay. So let us see how we are going to work out. Number 84. 84 will come in 2 table, become 42 times. Then 42 will come in 2 table, become 21 times. Again 21 will come in 3 table, become 7 times. So 3 and 7 are prime numbers. Here you have to stop your work. The same way 70 will come in 2 table, become 35 times. 35 will come in 5 table, become 7 times. 5 and 7 are prime numbers. You have to stop your work. The way 98. 98 will come in 2 table 49 times. 49 will come in 7 table, become 7 times. 7 and 7 are prime numbers. You have to stop your work. So each and every number you have to take and write like prime factorization of 84. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Next, prime factorization of 70. 2 into 5 into 7. Next, prime factorization of 98. 2 into 7 into 7. Dear children, look at carefully. Here also 2, 2, 2. So this is a number which are common for the three numbers. The same way 7, 7, 7. Okay, 7. So please underline that, which is easy for you to take and write. Okay, so 2 and 7. Those are the two numbers which are common for the three numbers. Okay, so highest common factor, which are 2 into 7, will give you 14. This is very important point, children. Let us see the greatest common divisor, which is the short form of GCD. Next, the greatest common factor, GCF, which is a short form of greatest common factor, and the highest common factor, HCF, are all the same. This is very important fill up. Like they will ask the greatest common divisor, which is known as a dash. There you have to write as GCD. The way we can expect GCF and HCF. Next, lesson number 2. Look at the lesson number 2, HCF, common division method. The previous one, lesson 1, we just got the answer by HCF using the factor tree method. Here we are going to use the method of common division. Okay, so we can use the common division method as well as to find the HCF. Okay, so find the HCF of 42 and 84 using the common division method. So you have to divide this 48 and 64 by 2. So here we are going to divide this both number by commonly. So that is what we are calling out common division method. Now 48 in 2 table become 24 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next, 6 will come in 2 table become 3 times, 4 will come in 2 table become 2 times. So 32 2s are 64. The same way 24 and 32 will come in 2 table. 12 2s are 24, 16 2s are 32. Again 12 and 16 will come in 2 table. 6 2s are 12. 8 2s are 16. Again 6 and 8 will come in 2 table. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. So finally you have to take and write like the HCF of 48 and 64 is 2 into 2 into 2. Understood? So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 is the highest common factor of 48 and 64. Let us see one word problem. Vicky bought 52 catfish and 64 goldfish. He wants to put them in fish tanks such that each tank has the same combination of catfish and goldfish. So what is the greatest number of tanks that is possible? So for that what you have to do? We need to find the greatest number of fish tanks that will have the same combination of catfish and goldfish. So for that what you have to do? You have to take the number of catfish and goldfish, isn't it? For dividing with the common division method. Now 52 and 64 will come in 2 table. I told you too many times you have to select the lowest prime number. So number 52 in 2 table become 26 times. 64 in 2 table become 32 times. Again 26 in 2 table become 13 times. 32 in 2 table become 16 times. Finally, what you have to take and write? The HCF of 52 and 64 is 2 into 2. My dear children, this number alone you have to take and write. 2 into 2 equal to 4. So, Vicky can put them in 4 tanks. Thanks for watching, children.